So me and Ash are walking on the freeway or on the street. We're about to go on the freeway. It's pretty cool because we're doing the breast cancer walk. I know it started at 8:30 and it's not that long after because it started in Balboa Park. It's 8:52, so we started a half hour ago already. Dang. Goes pretty fast. We're taking the 163 freeway entrance. You'll see it in a second.
Dude, I almost crashed right here one time.
She almost crashed, and now we're going to walk on it.
She almost hit me. I didn't crash.
Where is it? See? Freeway entrance. 163. North. And you can see the planes. So now, dude. So now we're going on the freeway. They usually shut off the freeway so we can walk on it. We're up close 6 to 1 a.m. What else can we say? We're walking for breast cancer, finding the cure. Woo! Yeah. So yeah, we're
hot enough for the beach today.
Yeah, it's gonna be really hot for the beach. I thought it was gonna rain. It was like really foggy this morning. But yeah, we're going to Escondido. So yeah, we have all these people there, and then all these people behind us. So yeah, we're gonna leave now because we have 5K walk to do.